How to make international transfers on TD Bank Canada. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, I'll show you how you can make international transfers on TD Bank Canada. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make international transfer, you have to register for global transfer on TD Bank Online. So in order to do that, first of all, come to the accounts page on your TD Bank Online Banking or the Easy Web. And then here you want to go to the option called TD Global Transfer. Once you go to that option, first of all, if you have not actually signed up for TD Global Transfer, you want to make sure to just click the Get Started button, or else you can skip this portion of the video. I'll make sure to leave in the timestamp down below. So right over here, just click on the Continue button and then complete the registration for TD Global Transfer. Now, first of all, you have to select the destination country, which means to which country you want to make an international transfer to. After you do that, just select a country and then enter the amount that you want to send, and then just choose the Get Estimates button as to how much you're going to receive. Now, you have to select your transfer methods, such as you have cash pickup, which means send by Western Union to a Western Union agent location in a destination country, or send to a card, which means you can send to a debit, credit, or reloadable prepaid Visa card with Visa Direct, or you can directly send it and deposit it into their account or your recipient's bank account as well. So once you choose either of these methods, for me the send to account is the most convenient one, so I'll just select that option over here, and then I'll just click on the Continue button after you see all of the estimates of the total amounts, the fees that is associated with it, and so on. And after you've done that, just agree and then click on Continue. Now you have to select from which account of yours that you want to send, and then you have to enter the recipient details as well, which means you need their bank account details. And then after that, it'll ask you to enter their first name, their middle name, their last name, their nickname, their country, their street addresses, their city, and then just click on the Add button. Once you do that, you can also make sure to add the recipient's account, such as the account holder's name, their account number, or your BIC or SWIFT, which means their bank SWIFT number. Now, each bank has different SWIFT numbers for their own, so you want to make sure to just choose them up and then just hit the Add button. And once you do that, here it says you to select the recipient's account. Do that, enter the purpose of your transfer. Of course, it could be anything, and then just click on the Continue button from the bottom, and then here finally just choose the option called Send, and you'll see your transfer of this much Canadian dollars to this person is being processed. Now here's what you need to know while your money is being sent. You can go to the transaction history on the TD Global Transfer homepage to view status, updates, and receipts, which means if it is pending, if it is completed, or if it is still processing. These three could actually be happening with your transfer, and then you'll be able to see all of the transfer status as well. Hope this video helped you as to how you can make international transfers on TD Online Banking. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.